In today's Let's Garden, we're going to start rehabbing the aquaponic garden. As you can see, it's already clean. I'll show you a time lapse of what I did to clean it today, and just get the process started on rehabbing the aquaponics garden and filling these other containers with vegetable plants. And so the water will overflow here, goes down into here, and believe it or not, I actually just got done cleaning it. It was a disaster, so I'm rehabbing it right now. Got all my plants in this top tank. I originally had peppers and tomatoes in all sections right here, but not all of them made it. But these guys have actually done pretty good. Got a nice little bell pepper there. I don't know what type of pepper plant this is, but it's looking pretty good. Tomatoes produce some pretty small fruit, but ultimately the whole point of this is just so I don't have to constantly clean the tank. I'll add water to it, and that's about it. I haven't had a need to take water out. I do remove the debris when I clean, as I'll show you in just a moment, when I scrub this thing clean. And I actually found a little treat in here, which, I don't know if you can see it. Yep, there it is. There is a fish in there. Anyways, to think of how this fish got in there, I mean, look at it. The water comes through right there and then goes in here to the final tank, where it then pumps back into the fish tank itself. For that fish to get in there, it had to go through this, and I'll give you a little peek at the roots here. So it had to go through there. But the most difficult spot is this right here. So it went over the falls. It must have jumped out, got too excited one day or something, jumped over, went down this waterfall, through the hole there, through this pipe, and then from that pipe, I don't know if you can see in here, but there is actually a bag in there. A sock is what I call it. But anyways, that sock is mainly just there to catch the debris. So that fish somehow worked its way out of that sock in through these bio balls through here, swam under that divider, made its way back up through here, through that pipe, through there, through here, down to where he's at right now. And so far this cichlid tank's working pretty good. I just chose cichlid because I like the fish. I am gonna add more fish, but I had a major algae problem. Still do kind of have a little bit of algae in there, but nothing like before. So next cleaning, can actually scrape all that algae, but I usually keep the majority of this covered from direct sunlight. And but anyways, I'll show you how dirty it was. So be sure to follow along as I make my progress on this aquaponic garden, adding more fish so that there's more food for the plants. Plants clean the water, clean water goes back in there. Create ourselves a little ecosystem and get some vegetables out of it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss the updates on what comes up next on Let's Garden and the aquaponic garden. Thanks for watching.